Now today's video is going to be very straightforward, simple. It's going to talk about 5 common mistakes that students make during their seminar presentation or any other type of presentation that they have, so that you don't repeat these same mistakes and have a very good presentation. Don't go anywhere. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Mrs. Ezine. I'm an academic coach as well as a lecturer who is passionate about helping students succeed in university. Before we continue to our video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel if you really like the academic tips I'm giving to you on this channel. And don't forget to leave your questions below. Any other thing you want me to address academically, please just leave it in the comment section below. If you want to private chat me, you can just send me an email. It's in the description box below. Now let's head over to our video. As a lecturer, I get to sit down and listen to students present their seminar. It can be quite appalling when they keep making these common mistakes, and that's why I decided to do this video, to at least address this issue and get students to do the right thing so that it doesn't affect their grade when being scored on their seminar presentation or any other presentation that they have, be it project or any other assignment that is given to them in the university. First common mistake that students make is that they actually come during their presentation and start reading from their notes. They even actually bring their seminar report and start reading from it. How can you do that? You can't just come and start reading like a computer.
The seminar is for depression, and I want to talk about how to do that, blah 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 blah. They read.
They don't even look up while they are even reading. That is not how it's supposed to be done. You are supposed to present to your audience, talk to them, have eye-to-eye communication so that they can understand what you are saying. Don't just go there and carry your book. You can even have flashcards, mini cards that you can use. You can have these small cards that you can refer to, not actually read each word for me.
You have to talk to your audience eye to eye and not looking at your work.
If you don't know how to talk, speak in public, I've already addressed this in my book. You can go ahead and read it, and you can browse online to be able to solve this. You can also use your phone if you don't want to write and actually have your slides on your phone and read. You can check out how an example I did on how to present your seminar. You can check that out on my channel in one of the videos on that seminar report writing and presentation tutorial that I've already done. A major depressive disorder is characterized by episodes of more persistent and pervasive disturbances. Did you like that? Because I don't get why students back their audience while they are presenting. They actually back the audience while they are presenting. This is another common students make during their presentation. If you are shy, go ahead and rehearse for that presentation before you actually come up on stage. Presentation, you are presenting to your audience, therefore you have to face your audience and just refer to your slides like this, or refer to your notes like this. You keep looking up. Not that you back your audience and they don't even know what you are talking about. In fact, if you back your audience, you have already made them to lose interest in whatever topic you are saying, and definitely your lecturers are going to mark you down because they will say that you are not serious at all with your presentation. Even though your report has been written well, if you don't present the way you're supposed to present, or more, you don't feel be that. Your A will drop to C or even F because it will doubt you actually did the report. Minor depression is also subclinical or some syndrome depression because it does not meet the full criteria.
Auntie, raise your voice. Raise your voice. Use the mic. Put your mouth on that microphone so that we can hear you.
Actually hear what you are trying to present to us, so that we will know whether it's what we want to hear, whether it's interesting or not. When you are whispering, which is another common mistake that students make.
Yes, I call it whispering because you'll be straining your ears to hear them.
And some of them have microphones there, and instead of putting their mouth and making sure they are audible,
using the microphone. Why are you afraid of using the microphone?
I don't understand it. Speak up so that we can hear you and grade you properly.
We have three major types. No, we have five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So major types of depression. We have minor.
What are you doing? Why are you confused? Are you the one that actually wrote this report? Didn't you rehearse? Are you not the one that prepared the slides? Why are you sounding confused? Another mistake that students make, they don't actually get to know their slides. They are confused. They don't even know what is on the next slide. But you said you are the one that prepared it. Get to know your slides. Rehearse before coming to present. You can rehearse several times. Rehearse to yourself, rehearse to your friends, rehearse to your colleagues, and they can tell you what you are doing well and not. Don't come and sound confused, because it will make us doubt that you actually researched on that topic, and of course it will lead to low grades. My friend, don't be confused. The last common mistake is that students don't keep to time. You hear time up and the person is still going,
oh, and signs and symptoms, oh, and the causes,
time up, time up.
oh, and the conclusion is, and this thing is.
It's my brother. Keep to time. Keep to time.
It's very essential so that others can present. When you are arranging your slides, arrange it according to the time that is given to you. Present, rehearse according to the time that is given to you. Find out the time that is needed, that you need to present. Some it might be 5 minutes, some 10 minutes, some 15 minutes. If you don't present according to the time and you surpass the time, you are going to lose marks. And don't present if they give you 10 minutes and you just present for 2 minutes, you are also going to lose marks. That means you did not present enough materials for your audience to understand. So you have to keep to the time.
Immediately they say time up, shut that your mouth. Say thank you and listen to the question.
We also have time for questions. So make sure you rehearse. If it's too much, you cut your slides down. Remove some words. You don't have to say all the words on your slide.
That is why it's a presentation, it's a slide. We can see what you are presenting. It's a visual presentation. You don't have to read everything on your slides to reduce the time.
As you are presenting, we are looking at your slides, knowing what you are saying, following you as you present. You won't be too fast as well, because you are trying to meet up with the time. That is why you reduce the words as well. Put more of pictures. You can put pictures so that we can easily understand what you are saying. So you don't have to explain so much, and at the end of the day, you waste use excess time.
I hope that's clear.
Wow. That was super intense, okay? But seriously, you guys, these are the common mistakes we keep seeing every time students come to present, and that is why I've done a whole package on seminar presentation. It also helps you in other presentation. I've also written a book on it, seminar report writing and presentation, a simple guide to it. If you need it, just send me an email and I will tell you how to get it, especially if you are a student in Nigeria. And I promise you, if you apply what is in this book and the tutorial videos I've done on this seminar presentation, I assure you, you are going to get an A, because it shows you a step-to-step guide on how to do it. It gives you tips also on public speaking for those who are shy, making it to back the audience or look into your notes without looking up. It gives you the tips that you need to overcome that. I also had certain problems when I was presenting my seminar, and I was able to correct them and do better. So my seminars went from C's to A's, and I can assure you yours can do the same. So that's all for today's video. Watch my other videos on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comment below, please just if you have any comment, just leave it in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and see you in my next video. Bye.